here just now. We about to go Willie Chop. I'm feeling good, and I'm feeling good. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm feeling good. We about to go out for practice, and we about to turn this thing up. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel, man. Like everything, share, comment, give me tips. Discrimination about the street riding, it don't matter. We want it all, man. Shout out Motovated Media, shout out Roundup Services. We outside.
Sippin' on yak,
I just did a show, whoa, me 50 for show, whoa, that bitch on the floor, toe, sippin' on yak, pole, show me that money, nigga, where it's at, I got the bands hidden in the trap, smoking on gas, baby, this tracks, he's this bitch, I can tell by yak, yeah, I know he ain't doing this strap, I got shooters with good aim in the back.
Told him, girl, you know he never lied, run up on me, but I wouldn't do that, I need it, I ate up like going fast, rolling them down, we smoking the best, smoke at the pot, took a trip to the west, stay with my daughters like I'm Johnny Test.
Yeah, they like me, diamonds on me drippin', boy, I might just take your wifey. I ain't poppin' purse, cause them shits just don't excite me. I might come through flying, know I'm riding on them bikes, me. Hop up on the beat, let's go.
Got done with practice. Oh, I don't know where Sam went. Alright, anyways, just got done with practice. Sam and Chris Brown sponsored me for the pit bike race, you feel me? They got me right. Representing 2X today, you feel me? About to go crazy. First pit bike race, ain't never do one before. About to how I gotta do it, bro? Leg out.
He's a worm.
With the yo, he dogging.
Pit bike worm.
There we go. 2X, you see it. We about to go out there. Get real warmy.
Now you not in my 360. I don't know these niggas, guess my life is what they envy. I'ma keep it P, nigga. I'm an MVP, nigga. I'm just what my old nigga. They say I'm a go-getter. I'm just making gold. Shit get messy, still gon' kick it. This ain't tag, bitch, I been it. Niggas hate I'm independent. From my game, bitch, I'm dependent. Who the fuck these what's the names? Why they mention my name? Shit is weird, they move strange. Bitch, I'm popping like loose chain. Who the fuck these what's the names? Why they mention my name? Damn, they done brought me fame. Damn, mention that my name Sam. Popping like Willie I am. Baby girl shaking her yam. 65K on the gram. Swipe, scam. My name just stick in they mouth. Niggas not using no pen. Stay on my dick with no hands. New Willie chopping them I take risks, I jump in. Mama been saying watch your friends. It don't stop, it don't end. I got Barbies feel like Ken. On adventures feel like Finn. I plan not stop till I win. Niggas hate that I'm that nigga. Damn, I get under skin. Oh, that throttle bitch I pin. I'm so hard above the chin. Catch me spinning by the spoke. I'm a clown, I got jokes. I got Harleys, I got Queen. I'm in 4,000K land. Hustle 4,000K rent. Fuck them bitches not caring.
Jordan dropped another one.
Let's record it. Always for that long. Try to put me in my zone, Yeah, I always felt alone, so my feelings had stay trapped. But I hopped up on that bike and it helped me deal with that. And I know I made some friends that had stabbed me. Move with me cause I'm moving sturdy. Always felt alone, never had a home. They know what I'm on. Hop up on that bike, nigga, we can get it on. They gon' hate on me, they throwing shade on me. I got so much weight on me. I got so much weight on me, nigga, wait on me. Bitch, I get the pain, and I'm feeling like a big man. All about the guap, bitch, I'm tryna get these big bands. I'ma block the hate, so I'ma throw on some Ray-Bans. If I only got 100, got 100, I keep it 100, niggas always frontin', DMC, I run it, city jigs, I run it, I can not trust anyone, I might have to do my baby lost it on my waist, like the blush straight to the face, do the dash, right to the race, got your man with clean face, always felt alone, so my feelings had stayed trapped, but I hopped up on that bike, and it helped me deal with that, and I know I made some friends that had stabbed me in my day, they did me dirty, now they tryna move with me, cause I'm moving sturdy, always felt alone, never had a home.
It's poppin' Moto heads. End of the weekend, man. We finished 4th and 6th. You feel me? 2 trophies this time. I got more comfortable as the day progressed. It was a lot of fun. Got to get used to riding in all types of conditions. The track was kind of muddy and slick today. Just make me a better rider the rougher the track is. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Big shout out to Motovated Media. Big shout out to Ground Up Services. Till next time, like. We like that. Shout out Motivated by the Streets. I'm about to go hit the streets right now, matter of fact. But we turning up. Make sure y'all keep tuning in.